morning, everybody. This is Tom from If This Car Could Talk. We're at Barrett-Jackson 2023. This is day one of the sale that'll last through next Sunday. It's going to be a great sale, and we ran into some old friends from Canada. And this is Paul and this is Sandy, and they are Team Decoliner. Last year they had the Decoliner truck, fully customized, and it was a world record seller. We'll put a link below, and you can check that one out. So these guys know quality cars, and we found another one that they brought today. They brought a total of 6 vehicles, and this is the last one we're going to show you today. It is a 1956 Chevrolet Sedan Delivery, and this is a real Sedan Delivery. It's not one that made up, and it's a gasser. So we're going to let Sandy tell you all about this one. We'll do a walk around. So enjoy this one, guys. You will love it.
Morning, everyone. Here we have a 1956 Chevrolet Sedan Delivery done up in the true gasser style. Pretty rare car to begin with. Sedan Deliveries were the lowest production numbers for 1956. And as you can see, it certainly looks the part. We've got the spun aluminum fuel tank up front. It's got a 327 in it with the fender wall headers. Sits up the way it's supposed to. It's got Wilwood brakes in the front. If we walk around here, you've got the pie plate cheater slicks in the rear. Got some graphics on there that give it the look. And as you can see, drive it like you stole it. Have some fun with it. So here we have the functional exhaust, but we do have electric exhaust cutouts, so whether you're going cruising or racing, you can have some fun with that. If you want to sneak into your neighborhood late at night and not upset the neighbors, you're good to go. Material inside is all nice, new, bright, shiny. The back is all upholstered. You can go to the grocery store. You can maybe throw a kid back there or two. I don't know if the wife would like that too much. But a fun little car. Sells Wednesday afternoon, about 1:30, 2 o'clock. Come on down and have a look.